Hi everyone, Rainey with Why Am I Green, and this is the end of the year and I wanted to come out here and show you what's going on and what we're doing today. So first of all, let me show you what's left of the garden. This is pretty much all that's left. I've been pulling out a lot of plants. You can see each one of these pools only has about 4 plants each. Most of them are peppers. I've taken most of my tomatoes down already, cut them down. Got a few of them, but they actually went all the way up to the top here, so they were 7 feet tall this year. Oh, we must have got over 100 tomatoes. There was so many of them. And peppers, I've got hot peppers, and as you can see here, and this is what I was going to talk to you about today, is green peppers right here. And these are little ones because I just came out and picked 10 of them. So you've got there's some mixed all the way through, and some of these Italian sweet peppers, where are they? They're in this plant somewhere. I guess I'm hiding. I can't even find them now because I picked a whole mess of them. Let's see. Oh, here's a couple left, but I got some big ones. I'll show you inside. And Raluca is going to stuff them. She's doing Romanian stuffed peppers, and I'm going to come show you how she's doing that. But one last thing before we go, I pulled down all my string beans that were on this wall. They went all the way up the top. I tore them all down, cut down the plants completely, right down so there was nothing in here but a pot. And what happened is they started to grow again. They've been here for a couple weeks now, and they're growing. And look at this right here. Where is it? I was looking at this morning. Look at that. I'm getting new string beans coming on that already. See, there's some more. I got a lot of jalapenos, but there's some more green peppers right there. So let me go ahead and show you what we're doing inside. Okay, so here we are inside, and these are the peppers that I picked this morning. Remember I told you about those sweet ones? And what she did was she pulled off the top there, whoops, and hollowed them out. Same as these here. They've all been hollowed out, and those are the tops. We're going to be putting those on top of the meat. So she's got all these ready to go. And here's the meat mixture. Raluca, what's in there right now?
There's rice with onion and carrot. You can't see the carrot because I use this thing to shred 1 carrot and 1 onion.
It makes it nice and sweet.
Yeah. And 1 cup of rice and 1 pound of pork and 1 egg. And then I'm gonna add some tomato, half of the small can of tomato paste. And mix it all up and fill this guys up. Boil them with water.
So what we'll do, once they're done, I'll come back and show you what they look like. And, well, I would show you what they taste like, but we can't do that. So I'm going to eat them all myself. Okay, so they're all stuffed now. And I'm going to have Raluca pull off one of the hats here so you can see what's inside. And so what she did was the hat is glued. She stuffed them all real good and then stuck the top back on. And you're going to what, to boil that?
Yeah, but before that, I want to tell you guys that I forgot to tell you previously, but the rice, I sauteed the vegetables, the onion and the carrot, and then and lightly in oil, and then I added the rice and I cooked the rice halfway with the vegetables. And then I let that cool down, then I mixed the meat and the pasta and the tomato sauce.
There you go. I tell you.
And now,
this is like a master class, and you're getting it free.
Romanian stuffed peppers, really.
And we'll see if I can show you what they look like when they're cooked before we go.
Okay.
So now, time for the cooking. And here they are. They're finally finished. Delicious. I've already had one. So go ahead and take one of those out, Raluca, and put it on the plate. Just so you can see what it looks like. We'll cut it open so you can see.
They were in the water, but I took them out of the water.
Any leftover water she drained. Yeah. Taking the little cover off. Looks like a jack-o'-lantern, right?
Yeah. And
cut it open. Look at that.
Ta-da!
And these are delicious.
And in Romania, it's illegal not to eat these with sour cream.
That's right. But I'm hardcore. I do it straight. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we did with the peppers and what Chef Raluca was able to do. She knows how to cook. That's how I get my full figure.
He's handsome, right?
And with that, I hope you all had a great growing season, and we will see you next season, and we'll see what I can come up with between now and then that might be green related. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.